Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to go over real quick a feature from Tastyworks that they recently gave out. Dr. Data um, gave a short presentation, I believe, yesterday on the new Tastyworks Lookback feature. Uh, so, so I think they're gonna release on both Tasty Trade and Tastyworks. And you have to sign up to get the beta release. But I just wanted to show you guys like what it looks like. Um, so I think it's pretty cool so far. So like I'm just gonna go through like the different tabs. Uh, so basically what you can do is you can do different types of strategies and then see how like it would have performed based on like the amount of data that they have going back. Um, So for example, like I just wanted to sell a kind of like a what would happen if I sold a leap delta like the eight at the at the eight delta strike on the SPY. Um, and then going over to like the next tab, just like this is a little confusing. It shows like the forecasted profit and loss. Uh, so basically, like the green section represents like where you could potentially see profit. Uh, like based on like the price and then also by the like the time on the horizontal axis, and then you can kind of like change like the I guess like how like I'm not totally sure like what the 10-year and like the 1 month, like you can play with the different like date ranges. And I'm hoping like in a future like episode they'll explain this in better detail. But I think this is like a kind of similar to like the analysis tab where it shows you where like you expect to kind of like break even, and then where your potential profit area and your loss area would be. And then in the next section in the analysis tab, this is kind of like similar to where you would normally expect to see also in the Tastyworks tab like your your potential P&L based on like this particular strategy. In this case, this is just a short put, but like with um you know with a lot of time remaining. And then you can kind of like mouse through like the different like the months and like how much you profit or loss that you might experience throughout the the I guess like the life of the option. Again, like I'm hoping like in the in a following segment they'll explain this more in more detail. And then I think for me the one that makes the most sense is the actual backtest results, and this is what I think a lot of people will be interested in. So based on like the amount of data that they have, so I'm guessing like this is probably at least like 10 years or so. Uh, so let's see, based on like this particular strategy of selling a leap short put, like I would expect to win at the 8 delta strike, I would expect to win 98% of the time, and there would be 51 days. And then it shows you like what my potential max loss was, and then the amount of the average premium collected, and the average profit per trade, and then the average days in the trade, and then the average profit per day. And I'm hoping they'll add more like metrics to the to, like I guess like as they add more results or more data. So then there's also like on if you go back and you see this little red icon, when you click on that, you get a configuration tab. You can add more like more rules. Like so, for example, if you wanted to say like if you wanted to take take profit at a particular percentage or at a dollar amount, and then also at the same time like a stop loss as a percentage of like the whatever you received or paid out, and then also at the also at a dollar amount, or even better, like maybe like like a combination of these. Exit at a particular day's expiration. For example, so like the Tastyworks methodology is usually sell around like 45 days left to expiration, and then like what will happen if you chose to take profit at like a one around like 21 days or so. So that allows you to do that as well. Of course, this is just still in beta. They're asking for feedback, and if you want to play with this yourself, you could also go to tastytrade.com/lookback, and then Dr. Data will send you another link to the actual the beta site so you can play around with it yourself. So I'm really excited for this. I would like to see like return on capital metrics, and then also maybe add in also like if you're on regular margin or on portfolio margin. So that's about it, guys. This is just like a first look, and hopefully you guys could get a chance to play around with it too. I'm really excited to see like how this particular feature evolves, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Have a great one now. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. That will really help out the channel. And thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.